Hello friends, today I'll show you how to WordPress plugin delete from cPanel. So let's start. This is my website. This is the dummy website, and this is the WordPress admin panel. First of all, I need to check on the how many plugin already installed in my website. Click on the install plugin. There is just only one plugin classic editor. I'll delete this plugin. So make sure need to the login on cPanel. This is the cPanel login interface, and you click on the login button. After login, then you will see this interface. Then you need to find out the file section. Yep, this is the file section, and I need to click on the file manager. Then open the file manager. Then you need to click on the public HTML because of this is the main domain, and main domain website file on the public HTML. Then you need to click on the WP content. Then need to click on the plugins. Okay, so this is the plugin, and you just click select and delete. Also you can click on the right button and click on the delete. Then you will see the confirmation pop up. Then you can just confirm. Yeah, deleted. Now you can back on the plugin tabs. I mean WordPress admin panel. Then you can reload here. There is no plugin. So that's it. So thank you for the watching. Stay with us for the new video. Thank you. Bye bye.